in front of you just to say you that some mistakes I hear that normally IELTS students do. Actually, they always ask to themselves, only one question. Why not? Why my IELTS reading and listening score is not improving? They ask to this question to themselves, to their teacher also, but still they are unable to get the solution. So what's the reason? Now, here I am to give you the solution. Just to take care of 3 things. Now the first thing is what? Actually, normally IELTS students, they do this mistake. I could say silly mistake, and that mistake is of singular and plural. Actually, the IELTS speaker in listening exam, normally many times the speaker spoke, so you could say plural answer also and singular answer also. So students, they do what? Means in hurry sometimes, or sometimes they do not understand also, or due to carelessness also, they cannot hear whether the answer is plural or singular. Means I could say they do the mistake of S or ES. For example, suppose the speaker spoke references. Suppose the speaker spoke the answer references, means the plural answer. So, and the student, what do? They write down the singular answer. Why? Due to carelessness. Either or they could not hear the word, the alphabet S. So that only is the mistake, means silly mistake. Means they understand the answer, but still they have not written it in plural form, so that's why they are marked wrong. So see, so I request you people just to take care of either, means just to take care of whether the speaker has spoken singular or plural. Many times what happens, they write down the correct answer on their question paper while listening, but while transferring their answer on the answer sheet, they write down wrong. They transfer the wrong answer. Means suppose they have written S, means plural answer on the question paper, but in hurry while transferring, they transfer only without S, means the singular answer. So this is what carelessness. So be very careful about that. Many times the speaker spoke singular answer and they write down plural answer. The same thing happens in reading also. In passage also, the answer is plural, but they transfer only the singular, and the answer is singular, they transfer the plural. Means the answer you know, then why are you committing this silly mistake? So be careful about that. And the second mistake, this also I could say the silly mistake, and that mistake is spelling mistake. See, you people are going to the, means you people are dreaming to go to the English country for your study. So of course your spellings should be correct. So be careful. Sometimes in hurry also they write on the wrong spellings, or sometimes in carelessness also they write on the wrong spellings, and many times they don't know the spellings. So please prepare your spellings very carefully and then take the date of your IELTS exam. Now the third mistake normally IELTS students they do. See what happens in instructions. Normally I could say that in reading passage also, or in listening also, they always instruct you that give your answer either in 1 word, 2 words or 3 words. Means no more than 3 words, or no more than 2 words, or no more than 1 word. Means you need to give answer either in 1 word or 2 words or 3 words. So what do you people do? You means many times you do not read the instructions and mark the instructions, and in hurry just write down a wrong number of words. And many times what happens, they don't know that in how many words they have to give the answer. Normally it happens in fill in the blanks, means fill ups. So the solution is what? The solution is only one, that you just listen the track, right? And they say you that now you have time to read the questions from 31 to 40. So of course you start reading the questions, you mark the keywords also without answer, right? Now You have listened the answers. Now your turn is to transfer the answers on the answer key. Now, sorry, answer sheet. So now you translate those questions with answers. Your problem would be solved automatically. Right? Now the fourth mistake, normally students do. This happens in listening. That is pronunciation. Now what happened? Many students are unable to understand the British accent, American accent that normally is in listening, and vocabulary also. Means many students, they complain that we are unable to know the meaning of the word. So my suggestion is just start watching English movies, English videos, English programs, English news with captions also. You can watch, means with subtitles also. That will improve your spellings and reading also, and your listening skills also. Do it continuously for 15 days at least. I guarantee you that your pronunciation, means your understanding of the British pronunciation would improve 100%. So these are the 4 silly mistakes. That's why many students are unable to just improve their IELTS listening and reading band score.